Welcome back. Yesterday we learned how to create text files using gedit. Today we're going to learn how to do the same thing from a bash terminal. So open up a bash terminal and log on as the super user. And then go to the root of your file system, change directory root. From that root, just create a couple of directories. So I'm going to do make directory, and we'll call this March 22. And then inside that directory, I'm going to create another subdirectory for writing letters. So we'll call this letters. Oops, now I forgot the where I'm going to create it. That's what I'm creating. Where is it going to be created? It's going to be created inside March 22. And now we bring the two together, the what and where. Now here it's telling me that it doesn't exist. So I have to look carefully here. There is a typing mistake. So let's try that again. Make a directory. We're going to create it inside March 22. And we are going to call that letters. And this time it was successfully created. Let's go to that location. Now you can do this by doing change directory and going one directory at a time. Or you can do it all in one shot like what I'm doing right now. I'm going to create a document here, letter to friend. Notice that everything in Linux is case sensitive. Okay, and this is where you create your letter. Now I'm going to be honest with you, this is a difficult tool to use. So we're just going to learn the basics. The first thing you have to do, if you start typing, you'll see it doesn't really work or it doesn't act the way you want it to act. Press I on your keyboard to go into insert mode. Notice down here on the lower left-hand corner, you have an indication that you're in insert mode. So let's begin writing something. So today we will learn. We press enter a few times. Topic 1, topic 2, and so on. When you're done writing your letter, hit escape. That's in the top left-hand corner of your keyboard. The insert disappeared. And we want to save our changes. So to do that, hold the shift key down and press colon. Okay, that's found on the right side of your keyboard, right above the semicolon, and you can see those two dots there. That's like a command prompt, and I can enter some commands here like W, write my changes, or save my changes. I'm pretty much done. That is now saved. Let's do shift colon, and now we're ready to exit with Q. Now when I type ls, I see letter to friend. And let's go ahead and cat that out. Letter, remember, everything is case sensitive here, to friend. And that is the letter that I just completed.